Good morning, everyone. It's Father's Day weekend, and we have a campsite booked in Bend. We're gonna take our Hike 100, take the pup, my daughter, gonna go camping. Gotta go work for a few hours, and then go pick up the camper, and we'll start heading down to Bend from Portland area. We'll take you guys along on the trip with us. Unfortunately, we're now at a dead stop. I think there's an accident or something up ahead. So turn on the navigation, see if we can go around some way. Freeway was completely stopped. They closed the whole freeway, so now we're detouring through the city, making our commute more of an hour than a half an hour. Right, back in the car. We did a half day at work, and now gonna get some gas and then start heading out to pick up the trailer, pick up the family, and head on out. Athena, what are we doing?
We're going to go camping, but we're picking up food first.
Yep.
Then we get the camper.
Nice, yeah. So stopping by Chick-fil-A, getting some food, and then getting the camper and heading out.
Yeah.
Are you ready to go camping?
Yes! I got my bag all packed up and got some strawberries for just a tasty, healthy snack.
What's the healthy snack?
Strawberries.
Strawberries? That's awesome.
Got my bag all packed up.
Got the dog chilling in the car seat.
And a jacket. Oh no! My phone!
Got the camper loaded up. Got 4 hours and 16 minutes of driving, which is about 220 miles. So,
Yeah.
time to get going. It'll be pretty dark by the time we get there. Are you ready, Athena?
Yes, I'm finally ready.
Let's go.
We got food and everything. Hi, we're almost at camp. That means strawberries. My healthy snack, remember earlier?
Nice.
So bye. We're here now.
We're here. It's definitely dark. It's
Yeah, it
9:30.
hurts like crazy.
We got a camper set up. It's pretty late. It's 9:50 now. But we're gonna cook some dinner, have some hamburgers. Like I said, it's pretty late, so we're not gonna set it up. And then tomorrow we'll start cooking. But awning's out, got the lights up, got the dog, the little ones inside the camper. And truck out here. We'll get some more videos tomorrow morning when the light's out. We'll go to the lake and stuff like that. So see you guys soon. Good morning. Nice and early. Slept well. Gonna finish setting up camp, set up the kitchen, make some food, make some tea, and then probably go explore. We thought we were gonna paddleboard, but it is pretty chilly, so I don't know if we're gonna do that. But campsite is cool, pretty spread out. There's a few people behind us.
And hi, I'm digging.
Yes, the little one is
I'm trying to be
digging.
careful with my little hiking stick. I could show you it. It's an actual hiking stick. It looks like real, but it's not real. It's movie.
Yep.
Yeah!
Well, overall, very nice campsite. Excited to go explore, and then we'll set up the fire later.
Yeah, when it's nighttime, and then we can make s'mores.
Yeah, she's very excited about s'mores. So we'll keep you guys updated.
everybody. And everybody's working, everybody.
Make some tea.
Yeah. And it's chilly. That's why I'm going to eat cup noodles. Well, look, I got some cabbage.
Ooh.
Nice. Okay, show me.
Look. Oh,
Did I say cheese? Put it closer to you. There you go.
Athena found a ladybug. We had to relocate our camp kitchen. It started raining. It's not hard, but just didn't want everything wet. So relocated under our awning here. Then set up our double chair.
It doesn't have any dogs.
We'll be hanging out under here for a little bit before we make some breakfast and then go explore. Got our new Blackstone griddle. Tried it out at home, but first time using it camping. Gonna cook some chicken burgers. Pepper jack cheese. Nothing healthy. What are you doing?
Figuring out who's. I'm cooking for our ladybugs. It just flew away. But
Cooking for ladybugs.
look. See? Right over here, there's a couple of walkways. Then there's leaves for it to eat and fly off.
Very nice. Thank you.
And I'm making. We're
Yeah,
going fishing.
we're going fishing. We had breakfast, lunch. Now we're gonna go explore the campsites a little bit. And then go down to the lake and maybe try to catch something. If we catch anything. You excited?
Yes. I got my fake fish on it. See?
Your fake fish?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's just a practice fish.
Yep, that's good.
We're walking around our campsite.
All the campsites are nice and big. Lots of room here.
Yeah, except for ours.
Yeah, good.
Okay. I'm going to go back
That's your fishing pole, Athena.
Yeah, it's hot.
Okay, go throw your fish. Wow, that's a good one.
Good job.
Hold it up and reel it in.
Doing a little bit of fishing.
Yes, look, I found some Cartagena rocks. If you put it in
Very
water,
cool.
they would charge you to Cartagena.
Yeah, it's kind of late in the day. We're still just out here having some fun.
Yeah, we're about to make s'mores.
Now we'll make s'mores later tonight.
Yes. We just gotta set up the campfire. Then they go, they get the here ones too, and then we can make s'mores right.
We're back from fishing. We only stayed for a little bit. It started raining. Got pretty cold. So we came back. got the fire going.
Yes, I did it too. I was a ranger, Dina. My name is Ranger Dina. When I'm at camp, I got filling up pools. I never give up until I
Athena's
find
pretty
one.
excited. She helped gather some of the smaller sticks to get the fire going.
Yeah.
Put up the tether for the pup to play along. What are you making?
I'm filling up pools.
You're filling up holes?
Yeah, for people to trip.
Nice. I'm sure Mom appreciates that.
Oh my god.
Rewarming our cinnamon buns that we got on the way. Got the fire blanket. Got some tea.
Mm-hmm.
Athena's got some chocolate.
Hi.
Athena,
Hi.
what are we doing?
Making s'mores. Do you think it's done? Hey guys, we got the rainbow fire on finally. Whoa. It's changing colors. Let's see over. Whoa, now you can see it.
You like the rainbow fire?
Yes. And I do like sticks to it. Just got bits upstairs, toys, but also a bucket.
Pick up the color?
Yeah, a little bit. Came down to see the sunset, and unfortunately, we're late. So we get to see just a little glimpse of it. Still very nice though. Beautiful lake. Good morning, everyone. It's our last day, so we're gonna make breakfast and then start cleaning up. Last night I ended up recording not too much. We hung out by the campfire, made some s'mores, and then went to bed kind of early. But early morning, got everyone up. Like I said, we're gonna pack up and then start heading back. Got a 4-hour drive back home.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah. I got my hiking stick and then finally found my shovel because I thought it was lost forever.
We ended up stopping by Salt Creek Falls, right off the side of the freeway. Beautiful area. Gonna continue on driving back. Hey guys, didn't get to make an outro. The camera died and I ended up not having any batteries with me or anything, so didn't make an outro. But Cultis Lake was super fun. We had a great time for Father's Day, and the little one enjoyed it. Everything was great. The drive back was fun. We got to stop by the waterfalls, check everything out. Wish we could do the hike, but we had to get back home for work. But thank you for watching.